Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact firmware version, so you apply the right file. This prevents mismatches. Once done, backup profiles and saved games to cloud or USB to avoid data loss. Make sure the console has stable power and internet. An interrupted update is the main cause of failure. If you're using a PC to prepare files, verify downloads against official Xbox references and keep the console plugged into a surge protector while you begin. You choose the official update path, either via system settings or an Xbox-provided file, and start the install. During execution, follow on-screen prompts and allow the process 20 to 40 minutes. This timing varies with version and drive speed. Keep the console powered and avoid ejecting disks or unplugging Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If progress seems stalled, be patient for a few additional minutes. Abrupt interruptions are what create bricks, so your focus should be on stability. You finish by checking the console displays the new system version, and then test core functions like networking, controller pairing, and store sign-in. If something behaves oddly, clear the cache and restart to resolve transient issues. Should the console fail to boot or show update errors, do not attempt risky unofficial fixes. Contact Xbox support or an authorized repair center for guided recovery. This single troubleshooting tip, avoid third-party hacks, protects warranty and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.